And you're gonna get so much utility. I mean, this is a truck, right? And so it's important to make sure that you have all of the extra storage that you need. So we're gonna go ahead and clip these up and get this thing locked in. What's up, everyone? Just customizing my Cybertruck with my friend Joe here. We have Tesplus. This is the rear seat under storage box. And we have my seats up. As you know, I have kids, so having this extra storage is gonna be a game changer. And the product that we're showcasing today is Tesplus, okay? So Joe is beautifully displaying what this thing literally looks like. So if you just look at it, if we hold this up together, you can just see this goes in the whole rear back of your Cybertruck. And I can tell you from a material standpoint and even what you see right down here, they really did a good job just with all of the quality of this. These holders even kind of go up and above and just clip it. So you can just stick this over here. They give you 6 very simple instructions, which we're not gonna review all of those. And then some clips, which we're gonna clip on the back. But let's go ahead and get this thing inside the Cybertruck. All right, so Joe just pushed this in here. And look at how perfectly this fits. I mean, it's just, it fits right in. And you will have to use these clips here to essentially clip to the back here. But it's done. I mean, it just fits in perfectly. Look at this. And you're gonna get so much utility. I mean, this is a truck, right? And so it's important to make sure that you have all of the extra storage that you need. So we're gonna go ahead and clip these up and get this thing locked in. Okay, so I just clipped these to the back here. You can see this, but there's a black rod back here, which I think you can see. Joe clipped the other side. And so this thing now, in case you have an emergency stop, it's not gonna come out, but this is just great. Okay, so these straps, you can just see it like holds onto it. And again, you can just see this. So mind the mess, but you can just see, look at how perfectly and flush that is right here. Just all the way to the back, and it's not gonna come out. So all the way down, you can just see this. And it protects it actually from some dirt rolling underneath it. So, and then when you pop it up, get that extra storage here, which is perfect. All right, so I'm coming in on the other side here. I'm gonna pop this open and just see all the way through. But yeah, this is just perfect to store extra cords or anything else that you need for your truck. So as you can see, Tesplus just brings the best quality to your truck. Even the Tesla one that they make is made out of rubber. And so this one is actually just made with a lot better quality. So you really should just check them out, Tesplus. I'm gonna put the link there. Use TOSV for a discount. Shout out to Joe for helping me out, but this really does just look amazing how flush this is. Again, this is from the passenger side. Thanks again for coming and watching this video. Hit that like, subscribe button, and we will see you guys next time on the next product that we cover. And it's all about accessorization and making sure you have the best products in your Tesla.